Welcome to the V-MAST training module, Creating an Account. In this module, we are going to learn how to access the V-MAST website, sign up for an account, and activate an account. Let's get started. To access the V-MAST website, open a Chrome or Safari browser. In the address bar, type v-mast.com and hit enter. You are directed to the V-MAST website. To begin working in V-MAST, you must first create an account. To sign up, click the green Sign Up button. You are directed to the Sign Up page. All fields in this form are required. If at any time you have questions or concerns when filling out this form, contact your project administrator. Let's start at the beginning and work our way down the form. Username. A username must be all lowercase letters and at least 5 characters long with no spaces. It is best to include your name in the username. Enter your username. First name. Enter your first name. Last name. Enter your last name. Email. Enter a valid email address. A link to confirm your sign-up will be sent to this address. Password. A password must be at least 6 characters long. Enter a password for your account. Confirm password. Re-enter your selected password. Select project. Click on the down arrow. A list of project types appears. The most common project types are 8 steps MAST and revision check. Highlight your project type from the drop-down list and click it. Select project language. Click on the down arrow. A list of project languages appears. Type the name of the target language for your project in the search bar to find your language in the list. Highlight your target language from the generated drop-down list and click it. Terms of use. Click the checkbox next to Terms of Use. A window appears containing the terms of use. Read through the terms. If you accept the terms, click the green Accept button. The Terms of Use checkbox is now marked. Statement of Faith. Click the checkbox next to Statement of Faith. A window appears containing the Statement of Faith. Read through the statement. If you accept the statement, click the green Accept button. The Statement of Faith checkbox is now marked. I'm not a robot. Select the checkbox next to I'm not a robot. A window appears with instructions to prove that you are not a robot. Follow the instructions and click Verify. A green check mark appears. We're almost done with the form. Take a moment to review the details in your form. If everything looks correct to you, click the blue Sign Up button. A confirmation page appears stating that your registration was successful. An Activate Account email has been sent to your inbox. To complete the registration process, you must go to your email to activate your account. In your inbox, look for the email from V-MAST team with the subject line Activate Account. Open the Activate Account email. Click on the link provided in the email. Your browser is redirected to the V-MAST website and displays a confirmation page stating that your account is now active. Congratulations! You have created your V-MAST account. Now you are ready to log into V-MAST.